Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add highlights to your Instagram story so you can showcase your favorite moments and keep them visible on your profile. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your story. Create a new story by taking a photo or video or by selecting one from your camera roll. Once you have your content ready, tap on the highlight icon located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on New to create a new highlight. This could be anything related to the content you are adding, such as travel, food, love, or anything. Tap on Add or Done to create your highlight. Choose a cover photo for your highlight by tapping on the Edit Cover option. You can select any photo from your story or upload a new one. Once you're happy with the title and cover photo, tap on Add or Done to create your highlight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.